So continuing on with this problem, what we ended up doing is I ended up finding what the tangent of 67.5 times 4 is, and that's going to be what my apothem is. So that calculation is going to end up being 9.6569 inches to be exact. Now, what I always tell my students is don't round, to the tens place or to the nearest whole number until you're at the very end of the problem. Leave as many decimal places as possible. I say, do about to the 10,000th place, so like 4 places after the decimal or so. And then your number is going to, or your final answer will become more accurate. So anyways, we have our apothem now. And what we need to do finally is we have all parts of the formula that we need. We're given the perimeter. And we have our apothem, we just have to multiply that by 1/2. So our final calculation is going to be the area of this octagon will equal 1/2 our perimeter, which was 64 inches, times our apothem of 9.6569. Okay. And when you multiply those numbers together, half of 64, you get 32. 32 times 9.6569 is going to be 309.0193. Now, usually, in a problem, they'll tell you round to the nearest tenth of a unit. So what I will do is, since round to the nearest tenth would be 309.0, we're just going to round to 309. And since we're dealing with area here, our final answer and our units will be inches squared. All right. So just to recap, in this problem we were given the perimeter. We need to find the area of the regular polygon by using our formula 1/2 perimeter times apothem. We needed to do some work in order to find the apothem, which is our segment from the center to the edge of the polygon, and it makes a right angle. It's basically the altitude of one of our triangles, which takes up a portion of the area of the whole thing. So we have our apothem, we have our 4 inches, which is half one of the side lengths, which we found by dividing the perimeter by 8. And what we found was we found an angle by using the interior angle sum theorem and dividing by the 8 angles to get 135 degrees. Divide that by 2, that gives us the angle of our right triangle, which is 67.5. We use some trig, the tangent function, to find the tangent of 67.5 because that would be the opposite side over the adjacent side. And that is the tangent ratio, opposite over adjacent. And after that, we solved by just multiplying by 4, found our apothem, plugged our apothem and our perimeter into our area formula, and ended up with our area of 309 inches squared. I hope that was clear and helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you when we do the next problem together. All right, bye-bye.